Okay, here we are up in the Antalope Valley, my street. A Falcon 9 Starlink rocket just took off from Vandenberg. It should be coming right up over here. I got the confirmation of the launch, and maybe I can zoom into it, but it comes up right behind that house over there. And then I sure wish the street lights weren't here bugging us, but they are. And it should be any second here. It takes a minute. And it doesn't last very long in the initial liftoff burn. But then it disappears for a minute, but then it comes back. And come on, this is boring. Come on, let's go. But I promise it'll be coming right up here any second. There it is. There it is. Oh man, that's a beautiful sight. Huh, the trees are in the way a little bit right there. But oh, there's that blue and red. And then, like I said, the first stage, it disappears. It's still there, but not with a burn. And now it completely disappeared. I'm gonna walk over here to get away from the light a little bit. See if I can track this thing again. The sun is up over there. So it should light it up. Up there it should be lit up. I see it right there, but not very much. Looks like well, I can zoom in. Oops, screen went dark right there. Ooh, that looks better if I can find it now for you guys. Let me see here. Come on, if that's full zoom. Lighten up the screen, buddy. Oh, look at that jellyfish right there, right on. That's huge with the droplets coming out of it too. Oh my gosh, I'm standing here looking at the most incredible jellyfish. Look at that. Oh my gosh. See, I knew that was gonna happen because of the sunlight. Oh my, that's awesome. That's a big one. That's a huge jellyfish. Look at that. That's a great picture right there. Oh my gosh, that's so big. Wow. Look at that. It's such a blue color. Look at that. I wonder if I can get a selfie in there with it. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Who wants me in there? My gosh, that's one of the biggest jellyfishes I've ever seen. That is spectacular. I'm gonna get over on the other side of that light, on the other side of the trees, and look back, get a better angle. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Wow is right. And then there's the moon. It's gonna be, come on, zoom out a little bit. If I can, oh no, I lost the lighting. Wow. Getting the moon in there. And maybe a palm tree. Maybe I can get a nice moon, palm tree. We lost the blue color, but there's a palm tree and the moon. Oh, I lost the lighting. Oh, but look at that. That is one of the best jellyfishes ever. With the moon. Oh my God. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. There it goes. That's it, moving from here's a odd direction. See if I can get the moon in there with it. Oh, I wish I had a better camera for this launch than the... Well, it's going out of sight for me. But there's the moon, and there it is going right behind the house. Well, thank you for joining for this spectacular launch. Look at that jellyfish that it put up in the sky. Wow. Perfect timing for a great launch. That was just incredible. Here we are. See, this camera's not so good. Can't even focus in on a good moon. But hope the camera didn't shake. Okay, that concludes another spectacular launch. This is my neighborhood. All right, well, I'm gonna do that again on the next one. If I'm in Vandenberg area. Okay, over and out.